Okay, um, good morning, everybody. So I'm going to be taking you on Pictoblox. So basically, we are going to work with block coding. And block coding, just click on it. Once you open the application, you click on block coding. Once you click on block coding, you see it there. So this is just how the environment looks like. We have the blocks. Pictoblox also have the opportunity for us to work with Python as text-based coding. So if you want to go to Python, but that's not what we are talking about today. So let's continue with our block coding. So the first one is motion, looks, sound, events, control, sensing, and the likes. So I'm just going to teach you about what all these are. So this is the IDE, this is the environment, and this is the stage. So on Pictoblox, once you open it, the first thing you're going to see is Toby. Toby is a sprite. So in this block here, you can choose a sprite. Aside from Toby, you can choose other sprites like animals, other stuff like that. So let me say I want to choose an apple, and maybe I don't want to use Toby. Just remove Toby, and then the apple remains. So in Scratch programming, we call these sprites. We call them sprites, so that like the object or the characters you want to use for your coding. So now the background is called the backdrop. So this other block here is to change the backdrop, while this one here is to change the sprite. So if I should click on this, this takes me to different background. So let's say I want to use blue sky. So I click on it. So this is basically how to change a backdrop. So let's start coding. So I'm just going to explain all some of these blocks that we are going to use today. So it's very simple. You just drag and then we drop. You drag and drop. So simple and basic. So let's say I want this apple to actually move. We have the right. If you want it to go to the right and to the left, it's the X position. But if you want it to go upwards and downwards, it's Y position. So upwards Y position is positive, downwards Y position is negative, right X position is positive, and left X position is negative. So let's say we want to, events, when green flag is clicked. So let's say I want it to glide 1 second to random position. So once I click on this, it's going to go to random position. This is down. So let's say I don't want to do this manually, I want it to just function automatically. So that means I want to control the sprite. So you go to control, you add your repeat loop and your forever. So once you click on it, it starts performing its action. That's just how to create simple stuff on Scratch. So I hope you actually understand that. Thank you.